Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Vagascape Heated Cat House for outside, waterproof, and why you should choose, because it consists of the following features. Outstanding heating performance. Features 2 adjustable temperature settings, high and low, so you can easily control the warmth. The low voltage power cord is externally protected and detachable, ensuring safe use in outdoor environments. Quick and easy assembly. Featuring a user-friendly design, no additional tools are required for installation. For your convenience, a step-by-step installation video is included in the web page to ensure a stress-free installation process. Built for outdoor environments. Designed with 4 elevated legs, this shelter keeps your furry friends off cold, damp, and uneven ground surfaces, offering protection from dirt, moisture, and harsh outdoor elements. Waterproof and weatherproof design. Made from durable, waterproof materials, this cat house ensures reliable protection against rain, snow, wind, and other environmental factors, keeping your pet warm and dry in all weather conditions. Easy to clean and maintain. The smooth HDPE interior material prevents dirt and stains from being absorbed, making cleaning a breeze. Just wipe it down for a spotless finish. This material is also non-toxic, heat-resistant, and one of the few insulation materials that remains safe under high temperatures, ensuring both your pet's safety and the durability of the shelter. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.